let's talk about invoices, how to create invoice, because it's super important things whenever anyone purchase anything, right? So go to the payments and then click on the new button, new invoice, or you can also create new recurring template also. Here is your invoice form. From here you just have to add your client in which client you want to submit the bill. Just add your clients from here. We can just add one name. You can also put actually anything. You can edit anything from here, address, city, zip and all. Then you can also add items from which this is what your product is, right? So maybe which I have created. Yeah, you can see the prices here also, and you can also put some discount on him if you want, right? So yeah, and just okay, one thing also, you can share any picture of your any picture here also, and then you need to just send it. Pretty easy and simple. So that's about it.